this is Casey Cakes. I was born to dance, and I love to make sweet treats. What shall we make today? How about some Oreo dirt with worms? I'll get the ingredients. They'll be delicious. I just won't stand it. Now let's make our Oreo dirt with worms. Now here are our ingredients. Our Oreos, our gummy worms, our chocolate pudding, and our Cool Whip. Now let's put it together. Now first, kids, we have our Ziploc bag. Let's put 10 Oreos in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we close our Ziploc bag and beat it with a rolling pin. It looks so good. I could just hardly stand it. That looks like a delicious dish. You better smash it well, or it will be like an Oreo crushed cookie. Now, we're done crushing the Oreos. Now let's put our ingredients in the bowl. First, add a scoop of whipped cream and add it to the bowl of yummy chocolate pudding. You can make it yourself or buy some ready-made. Add a scoop of crushed Oreos and stir until it's all one color. Oh, this is so much fun! Now it's time to make our dirt cups. Grab your cup. Let's go! 1 scoop of Oreos. 1 scoop of pudding mix. Yes, you guessed it. Another scoop of Oreos. 1 last scoop of pudding. Last but certainly not least, 1 more scoop of Oreos. Now let's place our delicious worms in our nice Oreo treat. But I need some help placing them. Oh, Cupcake! Oh, Cake Pop! I need help placing our worms. Now place 1 worm at a time. It looks so delicious. Yummy, yummy, yum. I love gummy worms. Now that we added our worms, I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And stay sweet. I'll see you later, kids.